If Outlook is showing error 0x800Ccc1A, don't worry, this usually points to an SSL or encryption problem between Outlook and your mail server. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step, so you can get Outlook sending and receiving email again without the frustration. And if this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Outlook and go to your account settings. The goal here is to check whether your email account is using the correct server ports and the proper security settings. This error often happens when Outlook is trying to connect with the wrong port number or when SSL and TLS are not enabled correctly. If you're using an IMAP account, the incoming server port is usually 993. If you're using POP, the incoming port is usually 995. For outgoing mail, the SMTP port is commonly 465 or 587, depending on your email provider. Now, inside the account settings, find the section for incoming and outgoing mail server details. Double check every value carefully. Make sure the incoming server is set to SSL or TLS, and make sure the outgoing server also has encryption enabled. If your provider recommends a specific security type, use that exact setting instead of guessing. Even a small mismatch here can cause Outlook error 0x800Ccc1A to appear. Next, confirm that the username and password are correct. Sometimes the account is set up properly, but Outlook is still failing because one saved password is outdated or incorrect. Re-enter the password if needed, then save the changes and test the account again. If the error is still showing, the next thing to try is temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall software. In some cases, security programs can interfere with Outlook's encrypted connection and block the mail server handshake. Turn off the antivirus or firewall briefly, then restart Outlook and test sending or receiving email again. If it works after that, you'll know the security software is the cause, and you can add Outlook to the allowed list or adjust the protection settings instead of leaving it disabled. Another important step is to fully close Outlook and restart it after making these changes. Sometimes Outlook needs a fresh restart before it applies the new port and encryption settings correctly. Close the app completely, wait a few seconds, then open it again and try syncing your mail. If necessary, also restart your computer, since that can clear out stuck network or security processes that may still be interfering. If you're still running into the same error, go back one more time and verify that SSL or TLS is enabled for both incoming and outgoing servers. This is one of the most common causes of 0x800Ccc1A, and it's often fixed just by matching the settings to your email provider's recommended configuration. Once everything is correct, save the account settings, restart Outlook, and test again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem and restore normal email access. So to recap, fix Outlook error 0x800Ccc1A by checking the correct port numbers, enabling SSL or TLS, temporarily disabling antivirus or firewall software if needed, and restarting Outlook after the changes. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.